In this video, I'm going to be doing a tablescape. So if you want to see how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you came. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. This collaboration is entitled The Thrifted Tablescape, and it is hosted by none other than the Thrift Queen. Now if you haven't heard of her channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. Now all she asked us to do was to set a table using thrifted items. And we also need to follow the proper protocol for collaborations. And all the information will be listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. Never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last page. The silver sticks and the white placemat and the silver charger were not thrifted, but everything else on the table is. Now the gray plate, that was a Goodwill find. The gray and white dessert plate, there are two different patterns. One has the gray outside, one has the gray inside, as you see here. Now these star plates, I thrifted them at a thrift store that I frequent with my mother. And then the wine glasses with the black stems, they were a Goodwill find. The silver napkin ring, that was a thrift find. Now the silver napkin, that came from eBay. Sorry if I got that one. And then my centerpiece, the apothecary jar, that came, that was thrifted, along with the glass cylinder inside and the gray candle. They were thrifted. So here is my thrifted tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video. And you, as always, you be blessed.